Welcome to the Driver Record Dashboard. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to utilize all of the application's features to get the most out of your DRD experience. First, let's log in. You'll want to set up your email alerts first so you don't miss any important notifications. This is where you would enter your email address. To get back to your roster, you can click the button either here or here. Next, you'll need to build your roster. You can do that by clicking the Add Drivers button either here or here. Then you can paste a list of driver's license numbers or type them out into the field. You can add up to 1,000 numbers at one time, and no other information is required. We're going to paste my numbers here and click the Add Drivers button. You'll notice that your driver's information will auto-populate in the table at the bottom of the page. You've successfully built your roster. The easy-to-view roster lets you see all important information about your drivers. You can hover your cursor over the labels at the top of each column to see what the abbreviations mean. For example, the medical certifications and the reasons for those certifications are listed here. You are also able to see if there were any recent changes to any of your driving records and the reasons for those changes. Please note that if there are multiple reasons for a driver's license change, only one reason will be listed in the table view. But if you hover your cursor over the links, it will show you if there are multiple reasons. For a full list of what we monitor for, you can visit the home page of our driver record dashboard and click on the Status Changes link. This will show you the list of everything that we monitor on your employee's driving record. In the event there is a change, Access Idaho will automatically pull the driving record for you. Those records are viewable by clicking on the link in the Recent Changes column. We have an example one here. The record will display on your screen and you will be able to print the page if needed. Please note, if there are any offenses incurred before monitoring began, we will not trigger an automatic driving record pull on those, but they will still be displayed in the driving record. From the roster, you will also be able to organize your drivers by group. For example, you can create a label for forklift drivers, delivery drivers, school bus drivers, etc. You can see we have a few started here. Just simply click the box next to the drivers that you need to put into a group and select Tag from the drop-down menu. You will be allowed to type the label that you would like to put in here and save that to the list of drivers. Upon returning to the roster, you will be able to view your driver information quickly and easily by typing into the search field or sorting by the column groups. This allows you to view all drivers with a tag at one time. You will also be able to see drivers in a specific group with convictions or suspensions, or anyone with an upcoming license or medical certification that is expiring. The drop-down menu also allows you to select all drivers, deselect all drivers, as well as delete a driver out of your roster that is no longer in your employment. Just click the box next to the driver that you need to delete and click Delete out of the menu. You are also able to convert a driving record to a PDF for easy printing or saving. You will also be able to instantly see if you have any drivers with recent changes with the alert boxes at the top of your roster. We also highlight drivers with expiring medical certifications and driver's license so you can make sure your drivers are aware and update those as quickly as possible. In addition to monitoring, you'll have the ability to pull records instantly, either individually or in bulk. This will help you stay in compliance with annual verification requirements. Just click the Buy Records button at the top of the page. Click the box next to the drivers that you would like to purchase a record for and select the Buy Records button. The total purchase price will display on your screen and you will be asked to complete your purchase. You'll then receive a message confirming that the purchase has taken place with instructions for you to check back once you've been notified that the records are ready to view. Because every accounting department needs documentation for reconciliation, you will be able to view your receipts and history by clicking this tab at the top of the screen. This will allow you to see how many records are being monitored in the month you're in, the drivers that are in your roster, any records that you have purchased, and your monthly billing history going back a year. Finally, for security, you are able to view all changes made to the roster by clicking the Track Changes button at the top of the screen. This will allow you to see the date the change was made, the user that made the change, and what the change was. Whether you're a company that deploys a massive fleet or an army of one, the driver record dashboard promotes safety and compliance in one convenient location.